In a garden soft and wild, where the sun kisses the earth, flowers bloom, nature's child. In the land of their birth, colors blend in harmony. In whispers they converse, a palette of serenity, and nature's delicate verse. Oh, flowers, in your silent grace you speak in hues so bright. Every petal a gentle embrace, bathed in the morning light, dancing softly with the breeze in the garden of delight. Your beauty, from the depths of the rich dark soil, life emerges tender and true, a testament to nature's toil. In shades of every hue, lilies white as driven snow, roses with their thorny stems, sunflowers with faces that golden, soft and wild. Where the sun kisses the earth, flowers bloom, nature's child. A palette of their birth, colors blend in harmony. Whispers they converse on a garden soft and wild, where the sun kisses the earth, flowers bloom, nature's child. In the land of their birth, colors blend in harmony. In whispers they are so bright. Every petal a gentle embrace, bathed in the morning light, dancing softly with the breeze in the garden of delight. Your beauty forever to please under the moonlit night. From the depths of the rich dark soil, life emerges tender and true, a testament to nature's toil. In shades of every hue, lilies white as driven snow, roses with their thorny stems, sunflowers with faces that goddess. In a garden soft and wild, where the sun kisses the earth, flowers bloom, nature's child. In the land of their birth, colors blend in harmony. Colors blend